All right, welcome back. We'll move into our phonics work for today. We are in Unit 2, and this is day 5 of our first week. Right, and our goal for today is to read, review, and practice a few different vocabulary words that we've been working on this week. And we're focused on spelling patterns. Okay, so remember, we're on a mission here to become better spellers, writers, and readers. Okay, so you have two options for our phonics work today. You may choose to get index cards and write these words on, or one word on each card. Or there's a document on Schoology that you can print off and cut apart. All right, so why don't you decide whichever one works the best for you. All right, and then we're going to use those cards in our work today. All right, we'll start by reading the words. So you'll flip through your cards, practice reading each of the words. Then you're going to practice spelling each word. Okay, so you might have someone else read the card to you and you practice spelling it. Or if you're by yourself, you can read the word once, flip it down, and practice spelling the word. And then we're going to sort the cards. Okay, remember that we're not done yet. That we're focused on those R controlled vowels. So you'll sort the cards into air, R, or. Okay, so do you see these spelling here? The AR, and then the OUR or ORE. Okay, so we're looking at the different spellings, the R controlled vowels, and sort those into the patterns that you see. All right, so today's a nice day to step away from the computer, work with your notebook and your cards, and please don't pass this over. You want to make sure that we're continuing our work to become better prepared for the future. All right, take care, fifth graders, and please reach out to your teacher if you have any questions.